Hey guys, I'm the Realtor Evan, back for another tip. One tip in 1 minute. The tip today for you sellers out there, very simply, I have a dog, but if you've got pets, hide those fur babies. That's your tip for today. Do everything you can to hide the fur babies for the showing. Now, that doesn't just mean taking them outside, or if you have to, you can put them in the garage or lock them up somehow. I would recommend taking them out with you when you leave the house for sure. But more importantly than that, we talked about this the other day, getting rid of odors. That's something that you want to try to do, especially the kitty litter. If you do have cats, cleaning that up to make sure that the odor is as gone as possible, getting rid of any of the toys or any of those other signs that you have the pets there, putting that away in a storage space, and also cleaning up the pet hair. Make sure you do that before any showings. It'll help a lot, I promise. Hope that helps. Hope to see you next time, and kiss those fur babies for me. Have a good day.